Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what are the different sound modes available on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top. And in this quick settings panel, you can see here I have sound button. With this sound shortcut, I can tap on it and it will toggle through to vibrate, then back to mute, and then sound. So if you touch it and hold on this sound button, it will take you directly to the sounds and vibration settings. In here again, you can choose sound, vibrate, and mute. So with sound, when you choose sound and when you receive an incoming call, your phone will make a loud sound, as well as vibration if you're turning on vibrate while ringing. Now if you tap on vibrate, it will allow your phone to vibrate while it will not make any sound. Otherwise, if you choose mute, it will mute all sounds, so it will not be able to vibrate or make any sound at all. Now you can also turn on temporary mute. This will allow you to set how long to keep your phone muted before returning to the previous sound mode, vibrate or sound. So you can see here, this one will automatically set a time of 1 hour, and after 1 hour it will go back to the previous settings. So if you choose sound, and then if you then choose mute, and if you turn on, it will return back to sound. If you select vibrate and then you tap on mute, then it will allow you to go back to vibrate mode. And so those are the three different mode that you can choose or that you can set for your phone. If you want to quickly silence all incoming sound on your device, you just swipe down and then tap on that icon, and that will allow you to toggle between sound, vibrate, and no sound. Now when you tap on that, it also show you on the status bar with an icon to indicate you are currently in a no sound state, and then this will allow you to receive sound, and this will give you no sound, but it gives you vibration when you receive an incoming call. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now another way for you to control the sound is by pressing on the volume button, and in here you can also choose whether to disable sound for incoming call or notifications. So in here, if I drag it all the way down, you can see it automatically set the status on my the icon on the status bar to vibrate. And if I increase the sound on the side here for incoming call, then that icon disappeared. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.